Module 8, Lesson 5, Outbound webhooks. Things happen in this workspace all day. Campaigns send, subscribers join, consent changes. Webhooks push those events to your other systems the moment they occur. Your data warehouse, your CRM, your Slack, open settings, then webhooks. A webhook is a URL on your side that Simple Marketing posts JSON to. Add the endpoint URL, then pick which event types it should receive. Campaign sends, subscriber lifecycle changes, consent events. Subscribe each endpoint to only what it needs. A Slack notifier doesn't need every subscriber update. Every delivery is signed. The signing secret shown at registration lets your endpoint verify each payload really came from Simple Marketing and wasn't tampered with. Verify the signature before trusting any webhook body. Your endpoint should reject unsigned or badly signed posts. The same discipline Simple Marketing applies to the webhooks it receives from Stripe and SendGrid. Endpoints go down, deploys, hiccups, expired certificates, deliveries that fail, retry with backoff, and the webhook's recent delivery log shows you what was sent, what succeeded, and what kept failing. If an endpoint fails persistently, it gets flagged, so a broken integration is visible here, not discovered in a quarter-end data audit. The classic first three, a Slack post per campaign send, a warehouse row per subscriber event for BI dashboards, and consent changes mirrored into your CRM so sales never emails someone who unsubscribed. Next lesson finishes Module 8, API keys, programmatic access to the workspace from your own scripts and systems. See you there.